Hello guys, welcome back to Cookie Mondays. Today we will be making heart-shaped Oreo cookies. Let's begin! In a large bowl, place 1 cup of softened butter, 1 cup of white sugar, and grab your handheld mixer and cream it until it's light and fluffy. Next, grab 1 egg, add it to the bowl, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and add it to the bowl. And you're going to continue mixing until everything's combined. Then in another bowl, add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cups of dark unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And grab your wire whisk and mix it. So once the dry ingredients are well combined, add it to the wet batter gradually. So it took me about 3 minutes to get everything combined, and it was really crumbly dough. So I refrigerated it for about 30 minutes before I started using it. And before I placed it in the refrigerator, I cut the dough into 2 pieces so it will be easier for me to roll out when I get it out of the refrigerator. After allowing it to sit in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes, I took some parchment paper and a rolling pin and placed the parchment paper on the table and one on top, so it would be much easier to roll it out and handle the cookie dough. So once you get the desired thickness of the cookie dough, take out the top parchment paper and then grab your cookie cutter or your heart cookie cutter and press down into it. Like so. So once you're done cutting them, put them on the pan and you're going to bake it for 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 minutes. Once it's finished, let it sit and then make the filling. Grab 1/2 cup of butter and watch me totally miss the spoon. 2 tablespoons of 50/50. If you don't have 50/50, use milk. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and add about a pinch of salt. And grab your beater and you're going to cream it until it's fluffy. And then you're going to add about 2 cups of powdered sugar. Make sure you sift it before you add it. And then I placed it in a pastry bag and I used the star tip and just piped it onto the cookie. There's no specific way, just do it however you like and then place the other cookie on top. And then I just continued piping the cookies or piping the icing onto the cookie. It was actually really relaxing until the bag broke. Does anybody know of any other brand to use? I use the Wilton baggie to put the icing in. Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching